Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Hey, Jen J. I hope that you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be on this hairstyle that took me less than probably 20 minutes to do. It's super quick, super easy. Anybody can do it. You don't even need any braiding skills. Whoo! Whoo! Okay. All right. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram where I post all of my makeup looks, more pictures, hair care tips. So if that sounds like your thing, then follow me over there. It is time for us to do our hair. Oh, my hair actually feels so good. First of all, let me say that. Okay, pause. The reason why my hair feels so good is because I took my time to pre-poo the day before, took out shedded hair. I went ahead and washed my hair. Of course, you already know I did it in sections. I dip condition. Dip condition is key. It's the life source of 4C hair. And then I detangled my hair. I really took my time with that. I recently got a trim, so my ends look and feel absolutely amazing. And then after that, I moisturized and styled my hair. And to moisturize, I used the Melanin Leave-In Conditioner and the Twist Cream, followed by an oil. If you want more information on how I wash my hair, how I care for my 4C hair, then I will link some videos down below and in the cards. So now that you're up to date, let's continue. Typically, I wouldn't even bother doing my hair. I would leave it in the twist. But there's people coming over and we're having a little get-together situation. So I kind of like want to look cute. So I'm going to do my hair, do my makeup. My hair is not entirely dry. So I'm going to have to make it do what it do, okay? Yeah, it's not dry at all. I actually put my hair in twist. I think it was 4 in the morning. I know. It was 4 in the morning when I did my hair last night. I mean, this morning. So it's not dry, but that's okay. I think I'm just gonna have to work around that. I do have an idea of a style that I want to do. Something really low-key, something great for summer. So hopefully that works out. Actually, you know what? Comment down below. Let me know what you typically do first when you are getting ready. Let me know. I do my hair first. That's because, you know, edge control and foundation do not mix, okay? I don't know how these girls do it on Instagram, but it doesn't mix in my world. So I usually try to do my hair first and then I do my makeup. But let me know down below. I'm curious to see what you guys do. My hair is not dry at all, so it's going to shrink up and be wonky wonka on me. I may have to do some sort of updo. Not necessarily what I wanted to do, but it's okay. Oh, my hair just feels so soft. I forgive her. I'm going to do flat twist. I know, I do, you know what? I do flat twist way too many times. I'm gonna do some sort of twisting situation in the front, and then I'll see what I can do with the back, okay? So here we are. I am gonna use a bit of edge control. Y'all know the edge control I'm using is the Up North Natural one. Just a little something, okay? I thought about flat twisting, but I realized a lot of you guys don't know how to flat twist. So I'm just going to do this twist and roll and tuck motion, just like that. And then when I get to the very end, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Just like so. I know you can kind of see the bobby pin, but you know what? That's okay. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm not gonna add a lot of gel or edge control or anything, just in the front right here to keep everything smooth. And my hair is so nice and moisturized that it's giving me life. I don't feel like I need to do too much to it. So we're gonna do the same thing, just a twisting motion. And then secure with a bobby pin. So this is what we have so far. It's going really well and it is super fast. So let's keep going. Gonna do the same thing on this side. This is so cute, and it was super fast. All right, so we are basically almost done. This would look super cute if the back of my hair was cooperating, like in a twist out or something, you know what I mean? But it's not, so I think I'm just gonna put her up into a loose bun situation. Oh, this will look so cute like that. Maybe I do want to leave it that way. It looks so cute. Okay, I'm conflicted. Mind you, my hair wasn't dry, so I feel like I will not be able to recreate this. I will have to find the level of wetness that my hair was at, which is kind of crazy. But isn't it so cute? I think it's super cute. Oh, that would look cute too. Okay, we'll put her up. Yes, yes, girl. Okay, I feel like this style is basically done. Okay, so I'm going to tie the front of my hair down, do my makeup. Okay, maybe add a little bit of extra zhuzh over here. Oh my god, I love this style so much. It's so cute. It's such a cute, like, low-key, what, me? I just got up. What you mean? Okay, so let's do my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, Jen. You can't tell me I don't look cute. You can't. I don't even care. I don't care what you say. Okay. I don't know what else to say but saying okay. Okay. I love it. It's so cute, and it took me all of 30 minutes technically to do my hair, probably less. I did my hair and makeup in under an hour. Let's put it that way, okay? You know, you can do like a voluminous twist out in the back if you want to. You can do bend to knot out. You can do whatever you want back there, really. The world is your oyster. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like it. Would you try this style? Let me see if I can blend in my foundation a little bit more. So my foundation is like a shade darker, and it kind of sucks because I feel like I always have to like work with her. Anyways, this is not what this video is about. Yeah, let me know what you think of the hair. Would you do it? I think it's a super cute summer style. Anybody can do it. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on your way out. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.